All right, here's the concrete mixer. The concrete mixer. It mixes concrete, so...
Concrete mixer.
Yeah, the concrete mixer keeps it from hardening, so it makes it stay liquid. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer pushes dirt around with its big shovel. What does it do, Liam?
And dirt.
It moves dirt. Correct.
Bulldozer.
Yeah, it's a bulldozer. And there's a dump truck.
Dump truck.
And what's a dump truck for? Well, dump truck takes the dirt, moves it to another place, and then it dumps it. Sometimes into big piles like that. Road roller.
What roller?
And the road roller will flatten dirt, concrete, and asphalt to make roads. Make it nice and flat. Skid steer.
Skid steer.
Do you know what a skid steer is?
Skid steer is. Skid steer is.
I'm not sure what it's for, but it has a shovel on the front and seems to be picking up some dirt. So it's like it's a smaller shovel. Whoa, crane!
Whoa, crane!
So cranes will lift things up into the air to the tops of buildings. Things like wood or metal rails, other things needed for construction.
Look them.
Excavator.
Excavator. Now digger. Digger.
Excavators, or diggers as Liam calls them. Big shovel that can lift up rocks and dirt, and sometimes it will load that dirt into dump trucks.
Don't chop. Don't chop.
Forklift.
Forklift.
Forklifts lift crates and pallets a short distance.
Forklift.
A lot of times you'll see them in warehouses.
Forklift.
Yep, that's a forklift. Backhoe.
Backhoe.
Backhoe. Backhoes are like a bulldozer and an excavator in one. So you can use it to
Digger.
dig dirt, and you can use it to push dirt.
Backhoe. Backhoe.
Okay, this is a motor grader.
Motor grader.
The motor grader is going to make a surface flat so you can pave it, make a road.
Motor grader. Motor grader. Motor grader. Motor grader.
All right, and that's the end of this video. Say goodnight, Liam.
Good night. The buses. The buses.